pumpkin beef stew or pumpkin veal stew or beef pumpkin or veal pumpkin, a Christmas special dish and one of the most delicious of the Christmas recipes and one of the most tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes. Today we're going to make pumpkin beef stew. The ingredients are around 300 grams of beef cleaned and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 200 grams of pumpkin peeled and cut into pieces, 2 green chillies, 30 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and around 3 to 4 sprigs of cilantro leaves. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the shallots. Salt. Pinkish color. Put in the ginger. Salt. Ginger and mix it together. Keep on sorting. Now put in the garlic. Salt. Garlic, ginger, and shallots. Garlic. put in the beef. Beef pieces along with the shallots, garlic and ginger. Keep on salted. Thoroughly salt mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Thoroughly mix in the salt. Salt the beef pieces together with the rest of the mixture. Put in the mixture spices with the coriander powder mixed together. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on salting. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces. Put in the pumpkin pieces. Thoroughly mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Now put in the green chilies, mix. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix. And let this mixture cook for 35 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now garnish with the cilantro leaves on top. Now the pumpkin beef stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final pumpkin beef stew or pumpkin beef or beef pumpkin stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the beef recipes and one of the most unique and different of the field recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.